If you're a content creator and creating thumbnails is not your favorite thing, there's good news because creating them just got a whole lot easier. Hello, my name is Michelle, and today we're going to take a look at Thumbnail Maker Studio and how to generate a thumbnail with your face in record time. Let's check it out.
All right, this is the landing page of Thumbnail Maker Studio, and wanted to shout this out for right now. They've got a limited time deal, a lifetime deal for $49 while this is in beta. So one of the great things to keep in mind is, like, as you try this, if there are things that you're like, oh, I wish it could do this, or man, I wish it would have this feature, they are excellent at implementing any of your ideas. So don't be afraid to give that feedback to them. This is going to be a super quick and easy way to create your thumbnails. So let's pop in and give it a try. So I've already done a few of these, but all you have to do is paste the link of your YouTube video, which I'm going to go grab one, and then it's going to generate some thumbnail options, and you can have it use your face. So what I've already done too is I've gone into the headshots and then I've uploaded 3 headshot options. So we'll see what they look like as well. You also have a brand kit. So if you want to upload your logo, if you need to add your colors in, you have the ability to do that. You can also go in and choose your fonts. I will say, when you do get the thumbnails generated, you can also tweak those things in there too. So if you want to do it up front, you can. If you want to do it after you see what options it gives you, you can do that as well. They do have some tutorials on here so that if you aren't sure how to do a specific thing, then you can watch these to help you out. And then of course you've got your own profile. So I'm going to get started by grabbing a link, and then I'm going to paste it in here, and we'll click this button and it will start to generate. So this was one of the last videos that I did on my channel, and we'll see what it comes up with. Okay, so now let's take a look at what it's generated, and we can see a couple of options. Well, I think this one, it has like hints of Michelle into it. It kind of looks like me, but it kind of doesn't. And then we've got this one, which is definitely not me. This is where we can go and do a face swap. So let's start with this one. Again, this was about making content, like user created content for Valentine's Day promotions. So that's where you're kind of seeing in the background of hints of Valentine's with a computer. So let's do this one, and we're going to come to this button right here that says face swap. And let's try this one and swap that face. Of course, it gives you a warning. It's not reversible, so you can't go backwards. Okay, so we can see that that does look like a lot more like me. I wish we could control maybe like the facial expressions, because I feel like not everything needs to be like I'm crazy excited for it. Just a gentle smile would probably be a good option. But we can see that the text is going over my face, and that might not be the best setup. If I was just slightly, over to one side, then that might be better. Let's go in and edit it though. So we could go in here, and we've got the ability, like I had mentioned before, if you're like, I don't love the impact font, it's not my jam, you could look for a different font. So if you're more of a Babus new, person, whatever you feel like, you can remove the line spacing there a little bit or reduce that. And then font size, you can change that as well. You've also got control over that stroke. That stroke might be a little too thick, so I might even just get rid of it altogether. And we could actually move the text too so that it is just in the corner. So when it comes to my face too, I can reposition myself. So if I think I might be better off over, towards the side and letting the text be the hero, that is an option too. We can make all of these changes, and if we get it to a place where we like it, then that's good. If you want to change the text, you have the ability to do that. If we wanted to say create instant Valentine's ads now, that's an option too. And you can obviously adjust that to however you want to do that. So very quick, very simple. Let me know what you think. If you like it, you can save it, you can download it, and you'll have those available in your dashboard. And so if we want to click that button to exit, we've got that then available in the dashboard. The same goes with that. If we want to just see what a different face swap might look like, let's do that one, face swap. So now we can see what it looks like using a different face to swap out. So we'll have these options ready for us. If we decide we want to use them, I can go back and they'll always be in the dashboard available to us if we want to go back and do any edits or revisit or download them. You have all of them right there available to you. Do know that you can try this out for free. You can get a 7-day free trial. I'll leave all of that information in the description. Again, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.